Salam and welcome back to another very exciting Photoshop tutorial. My name is Visha and today I'm going to be looking at the newest feature that Adobe has just dropped, that is sky replacement, this one. And guys, I'm not even clickbaiting. This is literally what they are called now, Adobe Photoshop 2021. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna drag and drop this image into Photoshop. By the way, all of these images are downloaded from unsplash.com. They are free to use. You can download them. I will leave a link to all of them in the description. So just drag and drop inside here, and right now what we have is the nice picture, so we want to replace the sky. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna go to edit and I'm gonna click sky replacement, and the Photoshop automatically does its thing. I don't know how, and it really is mind-blowing. So you can go here and scale the sky up and you can just adjust, and this is so cool, man. Now there's a limit to the sizing and stuff like that, so you have to be careful. And this is a picture, so as you can see, this is a picture that Photoshop has rights to use, I guess. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what else we can do. So we can replace with any picture actually. Yeah, so if you click here, you can see a drop down menu. You can see blue skies, like this, and it does pretty good job of replacing the sky. This is really cool, man. See that? So yeah, I guess let's use this picture. And the coolest part is you can even change the temperature. So if you have really cold background, I mean really cold foreground, let's call this guy, this front part, foreground, you can just change the sky temperature just like that. And yeah, you can shift the lighting, like if you want to brighten it up, you can shift it to left side, and if you want to make it darker, you can shift it to right side. And you can even adjust the color adjustment. So this is a sunset kind of picture, so I mean sky. So if you want to crank this bar up, you can see that this part, this foreground keeps adapting to the background, the sky. So if you want to change this to a cold picture, you can adjust it to the sky respectively. Man, I just can't get over the fact that this is this simple. So if you want to scale this guy up, you can just do like so. And one more thing, you can even bring your own sky. So I've downloaded some sky replacement pictures from Unsplash. You can open maybe this guy, and it will prompt you to name the layer, the sky. I'm just gonna leave it at that. So yeah, this is a picture that I downloaded. Look at that. I'm gonna scale it up maybe. And you might be wondering what this is. I don't know either. It says sky brush, extend or reduce the sky area. Okay, so this brush acts like no normal brush, so you can just feather it out. You can just, I think, adjust this part. Okay, you can even change the mode to screen or multiply. Multiply is, I think, much better because I want to pop up these areas. And when you click OK, it makes a group of the sky replacement. So you can turn it off, you can delete this, do whatever you want, and it will not affect the original picture. So let's go ahead and see what these guys are. This is the sky. Yep, there's a mask. Let's go ahead and let's go inside the mask, and as you can see, these are the changes that we made. Like, these are the brush stroke, and this is just a foreground lighting, I guess. Yeah, and this is in multiply, and it will affect based on the sky contrast, I guess. Okay, let's go ahead and see what else we can do with this. Okay, I'm gonna close this. No. And I'm gonna go to this folder, and I'm gonna insert this image because I want to see if there's an object in the sky that we don't want to remove. Let's go ahead and see what happens. So yeah, go to edit and sky replacement, and let's, wow. So if you want to change, whoa, and it keeps changing the lighting as well. So this is really cool, man. But I guess you should keep in mind that the lighting and stuff, because when you see this foreground, this is not a sunset foreground, so you might want to keep that in mind when you replace the sky. And you can even create multiple sky replacement groups like this. So if you want to go to edit again and sky replacement, and let's say you want to select something else, so like a clear day, something like this. And what we are facing is this is above this picture, so that's why we can't see it. Let's turn it off. Let's go to edit again and sky replacement. So now we can see that. Let's go ahead and insert another custom picture like this. Open. Okay, this is not a really good picture, so let's go ahead and replace this guy with maybe this picture, I guess. Okay, yep. And if you want to adjust the color and the lighting, shift the temperature to the warm side. I'm gonna keep it at 12 maybe, and press OK, and we can go to this curve. We can just shift this guy down so that it looks like it's a sunset. I'm gonna go to red and increase the red maybe just a bit, and decrease everything else. Blue as well. Alright guys, that is pretty much everything, I hope, about sky replacement, the newest feature of Adobe Photoshop 2021, I guess. So yeah, if I have missed anything, let me know in the comments, and if you want to know more about this feature, drop a comment in the comment section and I will get to it. I will do some research on them and make another tutorial. And yeah, I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, salam.
Asking for a sign from you, 'cause I'm so broke inside. I'm feeling lost, this world has me so confused all these nights.